This is the Torras Slim Fit case. It's a very slim fitting hard plastic case for your iPhone 16 Pro. So what I like about this is that it doesn't add much to the phone that doesn't need to be there. It adds protection around the corners. Obviously there's a raised area for the camera module on the back, and there's ample cutout spacing for everything that we have down on the bottom of the phone as well. The buttons are very responsive, very easy to use, but the camera control button is the true test of cases these days. So let's go ahead and open our phone with the camera control button, and let's do some zooming in and out and just see how well that works. Now, I have to say, this actually works really well, and it probably is mostly due to just how slim the case is. There is not much case there to get in the way. They cut out the case just a bit larger than the button, but the case is so slim that it's not a problem to use that capacitive button. A lot of other cases either chose to barely cut out enough room that you really have to wedge your finger in there, or they just notch the whole thing out and make weird kind of edges that you have to maneuver your finger around in order to use that capacitive button. So I have to say, I think they did a great job there. This case obviously is a very minimal one. It is MagSafe compatible as we attach the magnet to the back of the phone. And of course, wireless charging is going to work on this case, especially considering how slim it is. I would definitely put a screen protector on this phone, because even to maintain the slimness, they slim the edges down. It's raised out a little bit here around the corners to provide some additional protection. But along the edges here, there just is not a lot of protection. And because of how slim the case is as well, it doesn't impede with the actual screen itself, because there's so little case going around the edges. And so I have to say, like, if you're looking for a slim case, it doesn't really get much better than this. It is a little bit slippery. It's a hard plastic case. It's not a grippy case by any means, but it feels good in the hand. I don't feel like it makes the phone any more challenging to hold or to use either.